Coming soon to theaters.
The world is full of magic. Winter turns to spring. Small things become big. One thing always changes into another.
Walt Disney Pictures presents an all-new motion picture event.
Are we there yet?
Don't make me turn this formation around!
You have no idea where they are!
You just talked.
Just back away, real slow like.
What's going on?
How's it going, Bear?
I'm not a bear.
Well, gee, eh? You're one big beaver.
No kidding.
I'm a man. I was transformed into a bear, magically.
Crazy.
Do either of you know where the lights touch the earth? Yeah, no. No.
Hey, I know that place.
You do?
Yeah, follow me. My name's Coda. Say it with me. Coda. Tell everybody I'm on my way, and I'm loving every step I take. I don't want to brag or nothing, but I'm a raging ball of brown fur.
Oh, really?
This November.
And keep all that cuddly bear stuff to a minimum, okay, kid?
The truth is, I got separated from my mom.
See through another's eyes.
Those monsters are really scary, especially with those sticks.
Feel through another's heart.
Coda, don't be afraid.
And discover the meaning of brotherhood.
I always wanted a brother.
Coda!
Peter, look out!
Featuring songs by Academy Award winner Phil Collins. Walt Disney Pictures presents Brother Bear.
Here's a sneak peek at an all-new Lion King motion picture event.
What's on the menu? It could be some you, it's Pumbaa.
I gotta tell you, Timon, that song always gets me right here.
Yeah, Pumbaa. Well, enough of that.
Timon, what are you doing?
I'm fast-forwarding to the part where we come in.
But you can't go out of order.
Au contraire, my porcine pal. I've got the remote.
But everyone's gonna get confused. We gotta go back to the beginning of the story.
We're not in the beginning of the story.
Yes, we were the whole time.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Then why don't we tell them our story?
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we tell them our story?
Oh, I like the sound of that.
A little backstage tour. Take them behind the scenes for a revealing and intimate look at the story within the story.
Because what they don't know is how we really were there, even though they didn't know we were there, you know?
Couldn't have said it better myself.
So, does this mean we're going back to the beginning?
Oh, no, Pumbaa. No. We're going way back to before the beginning. Wait. Hold on a second. 3? What's with the 3? No. The 3 has got to go.
Timon, you can't use 2. There's already been a 2.
Ooh, you got a point there, big fella. It's not a sequel anyway.
Yeah, more like a behind the sequel.
A what, a hoquel?
Oh, you know, an in-between quill.
That's it. Pumbaa, my muse. It's genius. There. Now this title's a knockout. No! Not literally.
Coming soon to own on video and DVD.
3.7 trillion fish in the ocean.
I have to find my son!
They're looking for one.
His son Bingo.
Nemo
was taken to Sydney.
Oh, sure. It's in that direction.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a Pixar Animation Studios film.
Sweet.
Totally.
I gotta find my son Nemo!
Go easy on him. He's lost his son, Fabio.
Fish are friends, not food. Grab shell, dude.
Your exit's coming up, man! You mean the swirling vortex of terror? That's it, dude! Go, go, go! Rogers! Rogers!
Finding Nemo.
First you were all like, whoa! And then we were like, whoa! And then you were like, whoa.
What are you talking about?
You got serious thrill issues, dude.
Walt Disney Pictures presents a motion picture as big as the holidays themselves.
Ho, ho, ho!
Santa Claus is back.
Look out!
But this year, Santa ran into a little problem.
I've got to get married? He's fit yesterday, didn't he?
The Santification process has begun.
Yeah!
Are you Santa Claus?
Why would you ask me something like that?
Because you have a reindeer.
A lot of people have reindeer.
Name 5.
Experience all the wonder and magic of an unforgettable Disney event.
We have Coco, we have a blanket, we have a horse-drawn sleigh. The only thing that's... It's snowing. It's like some kind of magic.
I'm Santa Claus.
What?
Uh-oh, we're in trouble.
Tim Allen, the Santa Claus 2, rated G.
No. That's gonna leave a mark.
Coming to Disney DVD and video November 18th.
There's Lizzie. This is so exciting. Being in 8th grade rocks. The Lizzie McGuire series is on Disney DVD for the first time ever. I want to babysit.
Babysit? Oh my gosh.
2 different DVDs from the hit series. It's Fashionably Lizzie, with episodes all about Lizzie's super style.
Your earrings match your eyes.
My earrings match my eyes. Outrageous adventures.
One Lizzie's bad enough.
And some embarrassing moments, too.
The pants! They're ruined!
Then it's Growing Up Lizzie.
A girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do.
Including favorite shows about what it's like to grow up being Lizzie.
I want a bra!
Ew! It's your chance to own the first ever compilations of the Lizzie McGuire series on Disney DVD and video. By the way, you can get them both December 9th.
That's incredible!
Check you out, you're gonna be famous.
I am so there! Me too!
What does springtime mean to you?
Flowers!
Gardening. A picnic.
This spring,
I like surprises!
join Winnie the Pooh and friends in an all-new movie.
I'd say this calls for a celebration.
Winnie the Pooh, Springtime with Roo.
A spring present.
Wow!
Coming to Disney DVD and video, spring 2004.